friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel RDGK and Jobs. Today's video is about the recruitment of probationary officers in SBI Bank. As you can see here, SBI Bank is conducting recruitment of probationary officers. The online registration of application and payment of fees from 14th 11 2020, it means 14th November, it means from today. From today you can apply, and up to the date is 4/12/2020. It means 4th December, up to 4th December you have time to fill up the form. And here you can see the age limit. If you want to apply in this, so your age limit should be, you have to be 21 years and not above 30 years as on 1/4/2020. that is, candidate must have been born not later than 1/4/1989, not earlier than 2/4/1919. And relaxation of upper age limit shall be as below. So here those who are SC, ST and others, so there is a age relaxation. I'm not going in details, so here you can see, but you have to be 21 years. So here you can see the online examination process. First you have to sit for the phase 1, then you have to give phase 2 and then phase 3, and these are the all when the exam will be conducted. The time is here 31st December. It means 31st December. From 31st December your examination will be started. And here you can see the vacancy. Total vacancy is 2000 vacancies, so you can easily apply. 2000 is a huge vacancy. Eligibility criteria: those who are graduation in any discipline from a recognized university or any equivalent qualification recognized as such by the central government. Those who are in the final year semester of their graduation may also apply provisionally, subject to the condition that if called for interview they will have to produce proof of having passed the graduation examination on or before 31st/12/2020. It means those who are graduation passed, you can easily apply, but those who are not graduation passed, so if you can show your result, if you can show your mark sheet in the interview before that you have passed before 31st/12/2020, it means 31st December 2020. So then you can easily apply for this job. Now here I'm going in details. That here you can see the examination center, where will be it conducted, and the examination will be conducted online at venues across many centers in India. So examination center will be anywhere in India. And the category, you can see, I'm not going in this selection procedure. Here you can see the selection procedure is firstly you have to sit for phase 1, and there will be this language, firstly English language, then quantitative aptitude, and then reasoning ability, and total 100 marks questions. It means from English language there are 30 questions, and quantitative aptitude 35 questions, reasoning ability 35 questions, total maximum marks 100. And the time duration, as you can see, for English language 20 minutes, for quantitative aptitude 20 minutes, and reasoning ability 20 minutes. It means total 1 hour, 100 marks, 100 questions for 100 marks. Here you can see the after if you are passed in phase 1, then you can sit for the main exam, and there the procedure is here. I'm not going in these details. How to apply: here you can see candidates can apply online from 14th 11/2020 and 4/12/2020. No other mode of application will be accepted, so you can only apply from online. So here you can see general information. Application fee: so those who want to sit for this interview, you can see here that application fee will be 750 for general, EWS and OBC candidates, and nil for SC, ST and PWD. Those who are SC, ST and PWD, you shouldn't give any money. Application fee once paid will not be allowed. You have to be careful in this, that the application fee once paid will not be refunded on any account, for can it be held in reserve for any other examination. The money will not be refunded. The examination center, I have told all these details, so if you are interested you can easily apply. Age limit, I have told that age limit that your age should be 21 years and not later than 30 years. So those who are interested in this job, you can easily apply. And if it is helpful to you, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.